Welcome back to my channel. People, me not stay long, not about an introduction. And when not about reaching out and subscribe. We're not on that right now. So Mark Golden, maybe ask you something now, Mark Golden. Because we don't really need to ask Andrew Onis a question. Andrew Onis really up on the firing line. Now you, Mark Golden, you think I did one time meeting keeping of the old days them when you hear say people go meeting and you say who no go meeting and I get for ear we go on a meeting, them kind of lost. But you must realize that social media, even 3-year-old right now, because you have some young people and people say Ray, them just give them a phone for them stop them nice. You come out to the audacity for put up a public announcement. Public announcements on no parliament now keep this coming Tuesday. Me no hear none of the PNP them say to you say before them repost it. Comrade leader, what you mean say no parliament now keep tomorrow? Can you explain for us so we can post it back? And if anybody asks any question, we don't know how to answer them. Una don't do that. Una run it with him say and don't question it. He's not the governing party of the country. The people them never elect him. How him alone for come out and make that decision? So there's no parliament, but him a promote a parliamentary conference where him a go keep online. So him not go parliament. So the PNP not go parliament. So the PNP not going to go to the parliament come tomorrow Tuesday in the sitting. So who know out there who are representing in the parliament? This is a divide the people them. This is a war, you want war. Cause you know say if you go after Andrew Onis, the supporters them for Andrew Onis going to come back out and defend Andrew Onis. And they're gonna be just two regular people in the street where I got eat by each other because of your behavior. What go happen? You know exactly what going to happen. That's why you behave this way. Look at this. DB&G was owned by Mark Golden. Alleged. True. Anybody have the truth come up and proven right now. Mark Golden. Those are companies owned by PNP people. The same PNP people them will say Andrew Onis not supposed to have any company. No more asking a question. When you go to NCB go to business and Scotia, you see the man who own it? They? Only sometimes we not even see the chairman. When you go to KFC and Burger King and buy stuff for the family and the children, only see the man with them say make KFC and the owner because him pass away now. So it must carry on to him generation. Only see them people there. So why Andrew Onis can't have a company and employ you, the PNP people them? Yes, you said one. And wanna run it for him. And him get the auditor for auditing business. And him not have to come there. Because him have auditor, him have worker, him have supervisor, him have general manager, him have everybody. One can't think smart. One can't go to the report and say, but here one know them say Andrew this, Andrew that. But me I look on you so and me see one part where one money can make. Other way they make a try. Make a try that way there. Una not do that. Una come like a set of rubbish. Number 2, remember when I come and say come talk, me not talk facts for Uno. Because Uno don't know the meaning of facts. Uno know about lie. Lie. So when you hear facts or speak, Uno try to come type. And Uno don't have nothing to rebut the facts. So me I telling them my mind. How stupid are Uno argue about Andrew Owen is not supposed to own a country. All the one where retire from down at Portland, Fred Darrell Vaz, because the same Mark Golden push him out, you know, and pushing Isaac Buchanan now. Him the palm of live platform. No prime minister, not supposed to uphold the country and have a company. And him don't remember D, B, and G. And him don't remember PROVEN. Just split justice. Say Andrew Onis you know if you have no company. Marky G, you know if you have no company either. It's simple. Then no, me not invite you over here because everybody make a YouTube channel. It come like a US visa. You can lose your YouTube channel just like when you lose your US visa. So the channel is in charge of myself, me, in charge of it right now until. So when you come over here and I try to curse and I try to comment and I hide behind the keyboard, you think it makes sense? People reply to Uno. Only I idiot. Me know a famous DJ. Him very famous. Him used to work on Stone Love. Him say, do not follow them money on the internet. Them are mad you. You understand me? And him no mean mad. Him just knows them dark. So here, it don't make no sense to follow them up. And that's true my talk. So when I do over here, I invite the Jamaica Labour Party people them. The PNP are welcome, but the one them will talk the truth, speak the truth, and stop tearing the country. So we don't need if you hide behind the keyboard and a comment. When you hear the truth, you talk about SYM. Because we will tell you the same thing too, you know. When you tell the lie, but the truth we are deal with. And I want thing I beg the Jamaica Labour Party people them to do. Do not follow the PNP and making a fake post, no fake video, no go for nothing, for make nothing fake. Keep it authentic, same as we speak here. Because you notice the poll come out. The poll was done in a burial time. The poll was done when light gone. And everybody vex. Because Andrew wanted to bring burial come. And Andrew wanted to sell JPS so we could negotiate for the what we want to do. And then poll run. Andrew Owen is still February 2024. Senior people say Andrew Owen is another chance. September 2024, it increased 4%. So the people them not forget ignorant and arguish because of that Mark Golan I try to do. Mark Golan I try to unrest the nation. You understand me? So we go at war. Because right now the war we are going for those gimmicks, you know. Because when we go at road time, we say PNP, we say GLP, we buy food from them buy food from we buy gas from them. We support each other regardless of the color. But you see when time it reach the political tension, yeah, and you have the leader a walk and tell PLI, all type of things can happen. Because guess what now? We don't go to parliament. Because we couldn't go to parliament 2 p.m. we don't have a press conference. You understand me? So when I want to liberate them for do, sit down and make them go up the Prime Minister. No, them will come and roll. And when the two on the buck up, there is no peace. There is no peace because you don't understand so you should unite and bring down either the government or the opposition and make the country run smooth. But you divide and lock one of the eye and look out of the other eye because you're not blind, you know. You can't come tell the people about company. Really? DB&G? Proven? Before I close off, I just want to know, say, you PNP peoples are not invited over here. You're not invited over here. Nobody waste your time come comment because I'm not going to reply to you. I'm just remove you from the channel. You understand what I say? Uno to lie. Dirty pastor Ricky, you, the dirty pastor, you will not pay no farmer tax. Go dirty Ricky, JFJ, JAMP, NIA, the one named Amber, the Maga one from Ira FM, the whole of Power 106, Derval Malcolm and the whole of them, PNP gang them. You Crosskill, PNP gang. Dean Jackson Miller, Cy Bernard, Tyrone Reed, it's alleged, so them are PNP. Rattigan, you know already. Isaac Buchanan, out of the press, one of the dunces won them. The dunce one for a female. Fight, and dunce. Nobody talk about Andre Stevenson with the bag of Christian, they will not have no man. And on the other side, the bag of Christian, they will not have no woman. As me telling you again, say foot hype in it too, but foot hype I'm a friend. I when him wrong, me just give him right. Oh, Tracy, you a big hypocrite. You know why you're a hypocrite? Let me tell you why you're a hypocrite. You're there on radio and there on TV a ballot, but Angie Onis, just tell the people them how you get rich now. How you get rich, Angie Onis. I look at YouTuber like me. We can carry one 3,000 US or one 4,000 US. A month in time, you go ask the Prime Minister when get 5,000 US from, when get 6,000 US from, when get 8,000 US from. And you have the IC report in front of you. You have it in front of you, you know. You have it in front of you. You know what defend him against what the other sports host name man have against, you know much defend that one, yeah? And him come out and I beat Angie Onis for no reason and I go on like say him neutral. You Oral Tracy, we know say you're big dirty PNP. And we not care. We just want to know why you're in the closet and I hide. We no business. You think we care? Slow flow TV is another PNP. Remember, you have to respect the people, them decision who they want to vote for. But it's a slow flow. Him one of the original vlogger, them and blogger. Who know where comes on a blogger and vlogger? No credibility. Slow flow, telling the truth. But you say on the PNP, the GLP topic, PLI him tell. But him truthful in every other era. Big up Reggae Media, PNP again. Big up Dudley Thompson, PNP again. Them just chat PLI. Him name Jamaica and Carlos. Him put Jamaica upon him name. And every day him bring down Jamaica. And him ball on YouTube when a bat him and bring him down. The whole of our Fish Nation. You and Andrea Stevenson, the whole of we learn some. Same fish with the mash mouth. Mark Stewart, Peter Chambers, Life with Jennifer, the whole of uno a one bag of corrosion. Every day uno pack up and tell PA line. No truth from uno. When you have the truth in front of uno spin it. Uno go statutory declaration, uno go illicit enrichment, then uno go companies, then uno go loan, then uno go SSL, you see in both money. Peer lie, peer lie, peer lie. And you all stuff for own nothing out of life. A Spanish town him come from, him to stay down said we say uno, well of see people and talk about get a youth and talk about uno poor and get a youth for our things. You see uno come out. You see all uno come out.